Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Now I am going to explain the program stack. In the initial steps using the basic coding, I have defined IOStream include standard library.h using namespace standard integer stack is equal to 5, top is equal to -1. I have initialized. Following the void push function I have used where integer is t. Using the if statement top is equal to -4 and cout it's showing stack is full with the return value. If this condition is not satisfied, using else top is incremented and stack top is assigned the value t. Following using cout statement, this value is inserted into the stack. Here using the void pop function, if top is less than 0, cout statement shows stack is empty with the return value, and then stack value is decremented from the top. Using cout statement, element was popped out will be shown. The for integer j is equal to top, j greater than 0 and j minus minus. Using cout stack j is printed out. Using the void display statement, if top is less than 0, the stack empty is printed with the return. Using the for loop, integer j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to top, and j plus plus. Using cout, it shifts to the next line, as you can see from the new line creator. Then this value stack j is printed followed by the void space. In the main function, variables choice and e are declared using the while 1 is equal to 1. In cout, its user is asked to enter the choice, push, pop, display and exit. The choice is entered in this statement. Using the switch case, choices in the cases are splitted as case 1, enter the element to be pushed, which is E, it is pushed and followed by the break statement. In the second case, pop and the break statement. In case 3, display followed by the break statement. In case 4, it's exit, and in the default case, using cout invalid entry is shown, once again followed by the break statement. Let's return 0. Now I'll show the output. It's asking to enter a choice. I enter as 1, that is push. I'm entering the element as 43. It's inserted. Now I give it choice second pop. This element is popped out. Now I give the choice 3, that is display. It will show stack is empty. Follow this, exit. Thank you. Now I'm going to explain application of stack. Beginning from here, using the basic coding, include IOStream using namespace standard, followed by the functions void, bool function is full, is empty, void push integer, int pop, integer as h, c57 and top. Using the void function enter, in the first statement is asking to enter size of the stack, which is entered by the variable h. Then it is shown this way. The top is initialized to -1. In the function bool is full, condition given using if top is equal to h minus 1, return is true, else return is false. In the bool is empty function, if top is equal to -1, return value is true, else return value is false. In the void push, the argument k is initialized. In if is full, cout will print that the stack is full, as you have seen the is full function. else top will be incremented and this incremented value will be assigned the value of k. In the next pop function, if isEmpty function is called here, will print out the statement as the stack is empty, else top value will keep on decrementing and then the return C, one increment to the top will be returned. In the void display function, if is empty, cout will show that the stack is empty, else the resultant is shown using this for loop where integer j is declared and initialize the top value, condition being j greater than or equal to 0, j minus minus. Using the cout, for cursor moves to the next line and cj is printed. Now coming to the main function, character chr, which is an array contains of 10 elements. Using the enter function now is called, so it will enter a postfix equation which is shown by the variable ch. Now I have declared some other variables v, g, s and out, where g and s are temporary variables to store the values for now. Now again using a for loop, I have declared an initialized variable k is equal to 0, character k not equal to null character is the condition here, the k value keeps on incrementing. If character k is equal to plus, then g is sign called once for the pop function, then s is called for another pop function. Adding these two temporary variables, the out comes, which is pushed inside the stack using the push function. Else if character k is equals to the minus value, then g is again called and s is also for pop function, then these two are subtracted and this out is pushed in the stack. Else if character k is equal to a star, that is a multiplication operator, then again g and s are called like the previous and these two temporary variables values are multiplied and this out is pushed inside the stack. Else if character k is a division operator, then j pop is also using pop, values are inserted and dividing these two values, the value which comes for the out is pushed inside the stack. Else these values after getting converted into integers are finally operated and the value v is pushed inside the stack after performing all the operations. Using display statement this is displayed. Now I'll show the output for this one. It's asking to enter size of the stack, which I'll enter as 6. Now it's asking for a postfix expression. I'll give it as 1, 4, minus 3, then multiplication. Now it's showing the resultant. That's how it works for the conversion of already postfix to the main value. That's all. Thank you.